In today's video, we are going to learn how to assign roles to users in Salesforce. Roles play an important role in data visibility and record access to the role hierarchy. Assign roles correctly helps to organization to control who can see the whose data. So in this video, we will cover what roles are in Salesforce, why roles are important, how to assign roles to users, and some other topics also. So first we will start with what is roles in Salesforce. In Salesforce, a role defines level of record access a user has in the role hierarchy. Roles mainly control record level visibility, meaning user higher in the hierarchy can view the record owned by below user. For example, CEO, sales director, sales manager, sales representative. A sales manager can see the records of owned by sales representative. So roles helps to organize the structures used based on hierarchy. Why assign roles to users? Assigning roles helps in organizing user in hierarchy, controlling record visibility, allowing manager to access their team's records, supporting sharing rules and reports. Without roles, record access through the hierarchy will not work properly. So then how to do that? So first we need to click on gear icon, go to setup. First I will explain on role hierarchy. Then it will more easier to assign the role for the user. So I will search role, open roles. So in here I have a organization name like Fingertip Plus. So in below we have a CEO, Chief Executive Officer. In below CEO we have a sales director. Sales director have sales manager. Sales manager have sales executive. Means sales manager can view only the record of sales executive. Sales director can view the record of sales manager and sales executive. CEO can view the record of sales director, sales manager, sales executive. This is the how role hierarchy works. Then how to assign a particular role for particular user. So first we need to go to users. Click on users. In here, you can see the list of users. So currently, I will open this user because in here, I don't specify any roles for this particular user. So we have a profile like sales. So for this profile, I don't have any roles currently assigned. So I will assign one role for him. So I will open this one. In user window, we have a roles and profiles. Currently, profiles is sales. Now, it's not assigned any roles for this particular user. So then how to assign? So just click on edit. So what happened now? Before assigning role, we need to understand the what the profile he has. So currently he has the sales profile. We need to assign the only the sales related roles. So for this user, I need to assign the role like sales executive. So in here, I have a sales executive role. So just click on sales executive. So once I saved, so this user come below role hierarchy, means he can directly report to the particular manager like sales manager. Sales manager report to sales director. So this is how we can assign the roles for particular users in Salesforce. Before assigning any roles for the particular user, we need to remember some things like assign roles based on organization hierarchy, avoid creating too many roles unnecessarily, keep the hierarchy simple and easy to manage, review roles regularly when employees change the position. So important thing to remember is roles controls record access, not the object permissions. Profiles and permission sets control what user can do. Roles control which records user can see. So this is the thing we need to remember. I hope you understand these things. Thank you for watching.